Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by defining a clear blueprint for your background track so the AI can follow. Decide mood, tempo, key, and final length before generation. For example, pick 90 BPM, C minor, and 60 seconds duration to match visuals. Specify audio quality requirements like 44, 1 kHz sample rate, and 16-bit WAV or 320 kbps MP3 for delivery. Also choose the license type now, since royalty terms affect distribution and commercial use. Use detailed prompts that list instruments, dynamics, and arrangement to guide the AI. Include structure markers like intro, verse, and loop points for consistent background placement. Provide a seed audio clip or an 8-bar MIDI loop to lock in motifs across variations. Generate stems and full mixes at 44, 1 kHz, then refine with 3 to 5 iterative passes to improve instrumentation, timing, and emotional contour. After generation, mix stems to create space and clarity for vocals or dialogue. Use subtractive EQ and light compression on busy elements to prevent masking. Aim for a final integrated loudness of -14 LUFS for background music consistency across platforms. Apply a limiter to keep peaks below -0, 1 dB, and normalize overall gain for steady volume. Export the final file as a 16-bit WAV.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.